Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, and how are you doing? And I'm doing great. And today in this video I'm going to share some important topic that can help you a lot for learning English. I can understand English but I can't speak. This is a very common question in English. But why it happened? Let me show you. Because I was thinking so much and I was focusing a lot on grammar. I was searching what grammar to use, what words I can use. That's why we can't speak. When we speak, we don't have time to think. As an English learner, you have spent a lot of time learning grammar, the vocabulary. When you are writing, you have a lot of time to think about the grammar, the structure, and vocabulary. And you can think that what words you can use it. But when you are speaking, there is no such time. But what is the solution? Don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. 4 steps can help you a lot. Learn everything by topic. Example, friendship, relationship, sports, and etc. Every sector you can think and you can learn new word, and when you learn a new word you can note, and after that you can use it. Second one is right before about you speak. Example, I have friend, and you can use here I have some friend. After that you can say I have some close friend. Like this way you can make long sentence from short word or short sentence. Write down every new word, phrase and adjective on your notebook. And last one is practice. The more you practice, the more you comfortable. You can just talk to yourself.